ka Saint Vianney High Secondary School soalan kala penlong ya ka program ai khublei ki khna school jongka ki bansalet cha ka wei pat ki jaka pulie ba kham shalor hadian ba kila pendap ya ka kadan pulie jongki na ka tei ka shlam jing start ka tai ka class 12 bar kum juru ya ki khna school class 10 ya ka tei ka program la penlong ha ka arpkhandai trik nailar arjap san ha ka balai shimbenta du MLA ka than uba Charles Marngar ha ringkat ka jingdon lang u principal ka tei ka shlam u father Hieronymus Linkhoy u father Michaelson u badai u parish priest jong ko solat parish ki sister na ka tei ka parish ki nohikai school bat ki khna school uba Charles Marngar haba ai jingkran ula kerku kerdo ki khun samla ki bla pendap ki Jingpule jongki na katay ka shlam da ka ba Kyntu bakin Minot ha ka Jingpule om bakin sanya no tang shteng por khnang bakin wanra so ka jingtray shitom jongki bat bakan long ka jingkiman ha ka yeng ka sam ka shnong ka thaw ka jaka pulie bikidon bat ha ka imlang salang lingba ka nuksa ba bhatam jongki bat ha baki let chikiwe ki jaka pulie khamtam kum shanong ba shilong bat ki we ki benta jingai na la yeng kindam diap ha ki Jingpule bat kian ki Rongphong perthei hakate ka program la samru kum ka dak ka jingiet da ki momento shaki khna school bala pinpho pinpheng ru ek program ling ba ka jingshim benta ki khna school ha ki jingshat ba ki jingrwai jungki.
So first of all, I would like to say congratulations. Though you may have passed, let us say, some years in your schooling here in Saint Vianney, but then there is a big thing that is awaiting of you, and that is your performance that will really show how much you have obtained, or how much you have worked hard, or how much you have really dedicated yourselves. So my dear class 10 and class 12, I wish you all the best for your studies and especially for your coming exam. And at the same time, I stand here from the part of the school managing committee to say thank you to Sir Charles Margar, our local MLA. He is always at the beck and call of our school, our program, and he is always present here. And I believe that he loved you so much, and he loved each one of us so much. Let us give him a clap, my dear friends. Thank you, my dear sister Nita, Sister Justina, and all my dear teachers.
Dear students, it's hard to believe that time in the middle class has come to an end. I have watched you grow and learn over the years with us. As we move on to the higher classes, I want you to remember that the foundation you have built here will serve you well. Continue to work hard, be curious and explore your passion. Never be afraid to ask questions or seek help when you need it. Believe in yourself, all that you are. I am proud of each and every one of you, and I have no doubt that you will make your life or march in the world.
This is good. But it is also little sad because after class 12, we will miss you. Some of you will go to Shillong for higher studies. Some of you will go to Rongphong. Some of you maybe will go to Ngop. We will miss you. To the students of class 12, you are now ready to step out into the world. Some of you will go to college. Some of you, my dear students, you'll go to different paths. Whatever you choose, remember that you have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself. You have learned many things here in St. Vianney High Secondary School, not just from books, from your teachers, from your friends, your experiences. Remember that you have to carry these lessons with you. To the student of class 10, now you are preparing for the exam, for the final exam. The final exam will be held in the month of January 2026. Study hard, work hard, and don't miss this opportunity. If you fail in class 10, again, you have to continue and you have to study, you have to start again your journey from class 10. But if you work hard, you study hard, after class 10, yes, we know, class 12 and class 11, 12 is here in St. Michael, but if you fail, you will feel tired. If you fail, you waste your time. My dear students, this is the opportunity for you. I humbly request you to kindly study hard and work hard. My dear students of class 12, I know that all of you will pass if you work hard. But remember, if you leave this school is your second home. This school, I repeat again, this school is your second home. Your teacher, your juniors, and your memories will always be here. I wish you all the best for your exam and for the journey ahead. May you find success, happiness, and peace in everything you do in your life.